Go nuts with this king of nuts, Brazil nuts. I have been having them since 2018. They are sourced from wild forests of Amazon. They are harvested. They are not cultivated. What makes them very unique is they contain a trace element called selenium. One Brazil nut contains almost 96 micrograms. Selenium ensures a very healthy thyroid function and helps you prevent Hashimoto's. These Brazilian nuts also reduce your insulin spike, help you from a blood glucose point of view in diabetes. These nuts are also very high in antioxidants, great for your heart too. Brazil nuts also contain magnesium and calcium, great for your bone strength. They also contain polyunsaturated fat and vitamin E, which helps with your inflammation. Just 2 Brazil nuts a day keeps your doctor away. You can have it as it is like I do, or put it in your salads or in your smoothies, the way you want it. But ensure you don't have more than 2. That's the upper limit for these Brazil nuts. These Brazil nuts also don't need soaking. They are available on Urban Platter. You can use my discount Prashant20 and get 20% off. They are also available on Amazon. Go to Urban Platter, buy them, enjoy them.